So you have a sponge, okay, and you want to clean a lot of water from a recipient, yeah, from a container. You have to clean the water. So, like you can see, I have here some ice, melted ice, and there's a lot of water, and I have to get it out. I'm using a sponge, okay, but for a quicker operation, put the sponge, press it, and let it to regrow. Let it grow, okay? So this way you're sucking a lot of water and much quicker. So again, press it like this, let it grow again, and voila, you're getting a lot of water, much more quicker. So this is a fridge. If you have this type of Frigidaire system, well, then you're blessed. You're blessed, like me. Look at this. You have the motor, the engine, and on the top it's this recycle container. Okay, so this is for the surplus of the water. So the water is falling here from inside, drop by drop, and the idea was to evaporate the water from the heat of the engine. Well, look what happens with the time. So this is very heavy to clean, and I don't know if this container fix it on the top of the engine, is it removable or not? I don't think I can remove it from here. So this is a very ugly situation.